2 days in a row on a motorcycle. Gonna go out and check the single track loop I was making again. See if I can still decipher where it's at and possibly wear it in a little bit better. Maybe get some shots with the cam. That was freaking close, dude. I caught the front point of that log. Still some trees to trim.
Minutes later.
Getting pretty good at crashing. Oh,
A few moments later.
I just knocked my shoulder out of place. I hope that's all I did. I could not move my shoulder. I had to bend over and like let it fall back into place. Oh, I'm sick, guys. I'm totally sick of my stomach right now. Not because of the pain, but because I thought I was really messed up. Still don't have health insurance. I'm gonna sit right here, catch my breath for a minute before I try to get back out of here on the bike. I knew one of these logs was gonna get me, man. I hit it at an angle, a little bit too much of an angle, and it got something caught on a knot or something on the log, and it just threw me, dude. Shoulder right into the ground.
One eternity later.
Feels like everything will move okay, but I'm in a lot of pain. And I haven't had one that hard in a long time. I didn't bring my phone or anything. I'm gonna try to get the bike up, get it back down to my camera, and limp out of here, dude. I've only put this helmet back on because I can't even lift it with my right arm. Oh, my right shoulder is jacked. My bars are out of whack. Oh. Oh. Camera's still here. Oh, are you kidding me? Guys, I can't even get off my bike. I need help. All right. Oh, fucking thorns, God. Dislocated my shoulder. Got it popped back in.
How did you do that?